Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to Blackview Tab 12. You need to begin by accessing Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up to exactly the same on both devices, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, click on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of Nokia and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Blackview. Also on Blackview, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Nokia. Following that, you can finally click on all of those categories located at the top of your Nokia smartphone. To pick multiple files at once from your category, click on those type of dots at the top left corners. Then choose Send next to Selected. You can also just click on the chosen files. When you finished, tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way to use. If you want to use this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide of Blackview tablet. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Blackview's camera at the code. If you want to input this key though, just select Input Key section instead. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!